So the MUJJO Leather case. This is definitely one of those premium feeling cases. It reminds me a lot of the Nomad leather case, but actually just a tiny bit better. What I noticed right away was their awesome packaging. It looks great, just enough to make you feel like you made the right purchase decision, if you get what I'm saying. Some other brands don't care about that and miss out. Anyway, the case itself is made of genuine leather, which you can feel too. It's full grain, which basically means the top layer, which is the strongest and most durable cut you can buy. Every edge on this case is smooth, from the camera bump to the cutout for the mute button. It's very refined. The buttons sound good too and are very responsive. That level of detail is noticeable on the front too. You can see just so slightly that the edge of the screen is there, which is perfect. It does have magsafe too, which I'll have to admit is like a 6 out of 10. Nothing too special, but it gets the job done. So that would be my only feedback on this one. What I like about the leather cases is that you won't have to worry about the grip, because it's always good. It won't look dirty, you can drop it, scratch it, and it will still look good, or even better. So it's one of the most durable cases. With other plastic or silicone cases, once you smash those on the ground, you can really see and feel that they are damaged, which for me is usually enough to replace it. This case also has that soft inner, so all in all a very good case. It's around 45 euros in Europe, so that's definitely good value too. If you don't like black, they have other colors, like brown, green or even blue. Links are in the description. It's cases like this that make me regret having bought the deep purple. Imagine what this awesome case would have looked like with space black. Don't forget to check out my channel for all the other case reviews I did. And for now, have a fantastic day.